we found out that MAXI was a space that was created to celebrate the creativity that is celebrated through the field of marketing. We realized that aligning the entire team of 120 to a common vision of how we can creatively present marketing to the entire campus, we thought of with having the theme of MAXI Fair as Marketing Moholla, which you could see at the MAXI Fair this year. All the props, all the decorations, all our PR ideas, all our research games, all talk about just one thing, how we can creatively push forward the idea of marketing. It was an extravaganza for 2 months wherein the entire campus, 120 people from the MAXI team and 180 people working on the research statements really came together, and that buzz is MAXI, and that buzz was through the 44th MAXI Fair.
So to ensure that everybody enjoys the biggest MAXI Fair ever happening, we wanted to create a buzz all across Jamshedpur.
And to do that, we wanted to tap into different media channels, including online promotion channels as well as offline promotion channels.
In addition to all of that, this being the 75th year of XLRI, we tried something new, and we started with a concept called the Marketing Week.
To do a marketing week, we went to different schools and colleges across Jamshedpur and interacted with hundreds of students about the different aspects of marketing. And we had some great conversations there.
So, hope to see you all there.
For the past 6 months, we have been working on a theme, a design palette that resonates with the city of Jamshedpur. It was not only about designing posters, videos, reels, and hoardings, but it was more about effectively coming up with a layout that accommodates 6,000 plus people on the day of fair and making the campus shimmer with all things marketing and brands.
This year, we have the largest number of research projects at MAXI Fair, with an impressive lineup of 8 esteemed companies of the likes of HUL, Mondelez, Reckitt, HPCL, Bata, ICICI. For Perfective Animal this year, we are doing a digital research project so as to move beyond Jamshedpur and bring data from all over the country.
We are also doing a project for Tata Steel Foundation for the Johar Hat initiative, where they try to empower tribals through their tribal art. In this project, we try to find the factors that motivate people to come to the Johar Hat and buy their products. With this, we are very excited to create a social impact through our projects.
This year, we are hosting 50 plus corporate organizations and local partners. MAXI Fair is also going sustainable this year. We have partnered up with Poru Foundation to collect and recycle all the waste generated in the 2 days of the event.
I started work on MAXI Fair this year. The idea was simple, to make it the biggest MAXI Fair that has happened in the history of the event. So the biggest MAXI Fair basically means we were envisioning the biggest cultural festival for the people of Jamshedpur, whereas on the marketing research end, which we do for companies, we wanted it to be the largest at-scale marketing research that happens. To do both of these, the biggest needle mover is the budget that goes into the event, and that is what I handled primarily over the course of the last 4 months. So along with a team of 20 people, we try to reimagine the value proposition that we provide to companies as well as the people for Jamshedpur.